Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to talk about what is downtime in iPhone and how to use downtime. Downtime is the specific time within which you cannot use any apps on your iPhone except apps that you allow. You can customize which apps you want to allow when downtime is active. Usually people keep emergency apps such as call, messages or email in the list of exception. Now let's see how to enable downtime. At first you go to settings. After that you click on screen time. Now here you see the option downtime, you click on this. Here you enter your phone passcode. After entering passcode, this page will come. Now you click on this switch to enable the downtime. And from here you can select every day or you can customize days at which day you want to keep downtime active. And from here you can set starting time and end time of downtime. Okay, after that you go back to screen time. Now from here you click on always allowed. Now here you will see the list of apps that are allowed when downtime is active. To remove the app from here, you click on red minus sign, then click on remove. To add app, you click on green plus symbol to add the app. Now here on the screen you see some apps are dimmed out, which means when downtime is enabled, the apps you have selected not to use when downtime is active will appear dimmed out on the home screen. If you want to use any app that is dimmed out, then you tap on the app. For example, I'm clicking on the calendar. Then here you click on ask for more time. If you want to use for a short period of time, then you click on 1 more minute. If you want to use for long period of time, then you click on enter screen time passcode. Now here you type your phone passcode. After typing passcode, this option will come: approve for 15 minutes, approve for an hour, approve all day and cancel. If you want to use for 15 minutes, then you click on 15 minutes. If you want to use for an hour, then you click on hour. Or if you want to use for all day, then you select approve for all day. I am selecting this one, approve for 15 minutes. So now I can use this app for 15 minutes. That's for today guys. Thank you.